You're next. Modifieds, if you're not in staging, please get there. Late model B main, you will be after the modified heat races, so start making final preparations. Late model B main. 213 cut off in the first lap. Second lap. Yellow light has been turned off. Comes from the back to the front. As a free wide out of turn two, Roger Costello split the gap and down the back straightaway. He's going to be your new leader. Clayton Cliff is just a little bit higher, 3/4 over the lot of ground. Well, Homer gets that injury, Cliff, bringing trying to very, I just wonder, very fine installation. Right there for second. Between the 21 of Owen. Costello. Stewart, Owen. Cliff. And Zachary Hall. That's normally Williams' number is 32K, so I bet Gary's taking over the driving job there. Now Stewart into his inside. Got there. Cliff right on the back door of Homer as they go on the two. Here comes Cliff with a look down on the bottom for third. That's going to make Homan drive it in now real hard on the top. He's going to lose the momentum. Jim third and Cliff. Costello and Stewart. Costello goes away from Stewart to Wilson. Now Gary Cliff starts to move away from Homan. Costello. The Costello was a great run on the bottom, just like in previous laps. Here. But it's not going to